everybody. Welcome again. So you want a crypto? Today, Dao Maker. New on Qcoin, and I meant to make this video earlier, I'm sorry. If you haven't noticed, it's really kind of kicking it right now. I bought a little bit right about here this morning. So what is Dao Maker? First of all, it has a market cap of 33.7 million, 19 million in 24-hour trading volume, 391 on CoinGecko, and as you can see, we're less than a day old. There are 312 million. Currently, there's 16.4 in circulation, and that's just what it says right here. Dao Maker, reinventing community by virtue of innovation. Dao Maker is a launchpad and accelerator focusing on building, growing, and catering to tokenized businesses, providing value and benefit for both crypto projects and their communities. It has multiple proven products and several services that generate worth within its ecosystem. Dao Maker broadens the technologies and builds communities for startup while reducing the risks for investors. Dao Maker's product range consists of 3 different categories: funding products, technological products, and enterprise services. The flagship product for which Dao Maker is popularly known is the social mining software as a service. Among strongholder offering and dynamic coin offerings, as well as fundraiser solutions, compliance and regulatory services, omnipresent marketing support, token ecosystem modeling, community incubation, and governance technology. The company also has product lines concluding the development phase, such as the Venture Bond Exchange, Yield, Shield, and D Teams, which is the second generation of the social mining, enabling access to the possibility of providing venture capital created for the masses. Alright, so they're continuously introducing new projects. Over the past 3 years, Dao Maker used its growing arsenal of products and network to grow several startups and some contact information. I'll put these links below. You guys can check them out. As always, like, subscribe, click the notification. You get these. I don't have much of a schedule. I can't tell you like, hey, next Thursday I'm going to put this out. The only way you're going to find it is when that little bell clings or whatever. Alright, so here is DaoMaker.com. Venture capital recreated for the masses. We'll look at the white paper in a second. Bringing venture capital to the masses. So here's when they're talking about the venture bonds. Enable venture investments with nearly zero risk. Principal capital is used to generate interest on insured CeFi and DeFi platforms, which is then allocated to startups. We can see Orion Protocol, Dao Maker growth. They predict quite a bit of growth here. I think maybe this is fundraising clients, so on. White paper. Vector structured funding, automated accelerator. I'll put all these links below. You can check this out. I'm not going to read this whole thing. Really what I wanted to get to was Telegram. So this is something somebody posted on their Telegram page. Structured funding, bringing the industry's most innovative, risk-capped funding solutions that seed startups with strong communities. So Dao Maker has built one of the most respected platforms in crypto fundraising, and their expansion target is $3 trillion. Annual token funding, $3 billion. Here's some of the products. And then how to claim your DAO tokens and use Tollbridge. And then here's the official contract address. And then there's also Dao Maker community, Dao Maker Vietnam, Dao Maker Indonesia, and so on that you can take a look at. I went to the Dao Maker news. Medium. And this was yesterday. The sleeping giant has awoken, bringing venture capital to the masses. Qcoin, February 9th. And this talks about the launch on Qcoin. Behold the mighty strength of Dao Maker. And recently celebrating Dao Maker's 3rd anniversary. So this is something I've been looking at for a couple months. But actually, the first time I looked at it, I wasn't really that interested. And then it took a little while for it to kind of grow on me, I guess. We have decided to let you wait no longer. Our loyal community and follower base have anticipated Dao Maker's token launch for years, and we are ready to serve the public demand. Following the smashing success of Orion Protocol, Dao Maker is throwing its hat in the ring after the completion of the private sale through our next generation DYCO 2.0. Among the first exchanges adopting Dao Maker's native coin DAO will be Qcoin and Gate. Dao Maker, and here's information about all of that. Here's the token address, funding, and so on. A little bit about the toll bridge. Toll bridge allows token buyers who seek an early exit to burn a portion of their tokens to skip the vesting schedule. So there's a penalty. There's a little bit more about that. We talked about Telegram. Exporting the Dao Maker token economy. This was last fall. Yesterday, the article explores the token economics paper as a summary of key aspects. There are 3 of these, or there are 3 key aspects that add unity to the token: payments to the stakers, holder incentives, lending sponsorship, and token support activities. Looks like 4. But here's your reward pool, token support activities, fundraising, staking. And then it goes on to explain each of these levels more in detail. Here's more about venture bonds, DeFi, CeFi. They're talking 8 to 10% APY interest. Fiat, stablecoins, Dao Maker platform. Here's the exchange, the venture bond exchange. It's a lot of information. Here's the possible cashback system depending on your tier level and stuff. So on their Twitter, Dao Maker has apparently like a scam alert, and so it says we're something about the EVN token. So if you want more information, you can read through this or go check it out on their Twitter. But apparently this guy says he went to EVN Finance, and they're not the ones tweeting it, so it's something else. This guy's talking about the early morning pump. And now this too could, you might want to wait for a drop to get a buying opportunity. I don't know if it's going to go, it's new, so it could just go up, 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 and then back down to nothing. But so far it's done well today. It's at least something to look at. It's new. And it's got some interesting points, especially with the Robinhood and things like that, holding back people's ability to access their funds. You'll see a lot of that kind of money come over into this kinds of things. Let's see, client. Really, that's it without getting too crazy into it. But it's something that, I looked into. I like the, $2 at 33 million. They're talking trillions of dollars over the next couple years. So that's what, 10x would put you at 300 million. I think that they were talking they'd have billions on there. So you're talking at least 100x. So this could be a $200 DAO in a couple years that you got at $2. And it might be a 2-cent DAO in 2 years or 2 months. These are all things to consider, but you never know. I like this, and I think it'll be fun to see where this is in a month. We'll revisit this and let you know. Cheers.